Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, everything is in green and now the whole meme tokens are just catching up. I mean, if we pay attention to WIF, it is up 22%. Doge is still up quite a significant amount, close to 7% today. And also if we talk about the trading volume, Doge is up to about $3 billion. And there are some driving factors. First of all, the Dogecoin co-founder makes an unexpected statement about Bitcoin. On the other end, Dogecoin soars as Elon Musk's payments gain ground, and a lot of people are buying with $800 million boost in a single day. And Tesla, let's just say Tesla and Dogecoin together are in the local news. Now, before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, slap a like on the video, just help the YouTube algorithm push the video out to more people. More people see the positive side of Doge, there is more social engagement, more people decide to buy into it, it starts spiking up, and all of us make a lot of money. So make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Now, first of all, I just want to mention something important. Right now, Doge's market cap is sitting at 25.5 billion and peaking at close to 18 cents. I'm just talking about today. But if you compare it to the monthly, you can see that we are about to break the seasonal high very soon. What do I mean by seasonal high? Well, I'm just talking about this bull run, the highest point we have reached, which is close to 19.6 cents. And if we do decide to break that, most likely we will be closing in so close to USDC's market cap. And right now, you guys know that the market is moving really fast. I mean, Charles was correct, because soon as Doge actually beat Cardano in market cap, the market has been very volatile. I mean, even Bitcoin's about to hit 67k so quickly. Just keep in mind there is so much potential for Doge to actually shake up the market even more. If we are able to break XRP, keep in mind that means we are in the top 5 most biggest market cap tokens in the whole world. On the other end, I do want to mention our boy Billy today decided to tweet something out. Dear Bitcoin, please go to $1 million per coin when I'm sleeping. Thanks. Now, if you do keep that in mind, if Bitcoin does decide to make it to $1 million per token, now it is very unlikely right now, like it can happen overnight, but if it does happen, you guys need to understand that Dogecoin will be very explosive, because right now the ratio that Doge has been following with Bitcoin due to so many positive news coming out is a ratio of 1 to 4. So if Bitcoin hits to $1 million, that would be close to 1,400% gain. And if you compare that to Dogecoin, the gain would come about 6,000%, which is, as I mentioned, very unlikely, but it's just a very good scenario, which I know a lot of you guys would be very happy to see play out. Xpayment secures licenses in 3 more states, 22 in total now. In total, they will have to hit somewhere close to 50 to be able to launch, but the rate at which we are going, I do not think that on the 1st of April anymore, Xpayments will be able to start, pretty much their whole financial system, but they can make their first tweet on the 1st of April. That I do believe. If they do decide to make their first tweet on the 1st of April, it will be on their Twitter page, which is still inactive. It was created on the 1st of January, but since then nothing has happened. But on 1st of April, just announcing, hey, Dogecoin will be part of us, that could make a huge difference. And you guys can see that the open interest has jumped by $800 million. Now, if you do not know what open interest means, that just means that's how much money has flowed in through traders. Now, people who are leverage trading. Now, that's a big amount, and you guys can see that's just over the past 72 hours. Now, Tesla, as you guys can see, there is a new Doge in town. Dogecoin is the future of the digital currency. If you don't know, now you know. Now, what's really interesting, as you guys can see, Bitcoin ? There is a new Doge in town, and this was actually posted on a local newspaper, and that's when you know that Doge is actually doing some crazy numbers in the background. because being able to make it to the local news, that's when everything starts popping off. And overall, that's when, you know, the mass adaptation actually starts off. And if we talk about mass adaptation, let's talk about the price action as well. The price action is actually doing quite well. You guys can see after the V-shaped recovery that Doge had, it's back into an uptrend. Even in the last 24 hours, there's no signs of it slowing down. And keeping in mind that we have broken above the 17.5 resistance, there is not much thing slowing down the Doge price to make it all the way to 20 cents. Now around 20 cents, even previously it was tested and there were some problems. So being able to just make sure that we break above the 20 cents in a normal trend, it would be very important. Do I think that will be happening soon? Honestly, I would not be surprised if that happens in the next 24 hours, but you need to be ready for something big to happen, especially in the next coming week, because the 1st of April is not very far, and trust me, that's going to be a very changing point for the Dogecoin price. If Coinbase is able to secure the deal and the futures go live on the 1st of April for Litecoin, Dogecoin, and Bitcoin Cash, trust me, that's going to be the biggest catalyst to push up the Dogecoin price. And if we break above the 20 cents resistance, well, you guys know sky's the limit after that. Now, Dogecoin or Doge designer decided to tweet another thing out that was only 20 minutes ago, and our boy Elon responded to it, saying they are in the noise. Now, even at night, the bro has a little bit of time to go on Twitter and respond to Doge designer. Now, Dogecoin and Shiba, a price prediction. Now, let's talk about Doge. You guys know that over the last week it has risen by a lot, but right now the expected blast will be around 20 cents. If we're able to break above the 20 cent mark, that's going to be the time where we see an explosive move. Now, another thing which is interesting is you guys can see Dogecoin is on the verge of closing its highest weekly candle since January of 2022. If we break above that, January 2022 was a very long time ago. And if we just, you know, fall over that zone, which will be close to, I would say, 22 cents, then the next big, you know, leg up could be somewhere close to $1.27. That's where we will be slowing down. Now, Dogecoin jumps 7%. Bitcoin stalls at 64K. Now, this just shows you that if Bitcoin becomes very explosive and starts moving forward, then Doge will be going even quicker. The only thing that's slowing down Doge's growth is actually Bitcoin not being able to grow so quickly. Also, Dogecoin leads the meme coin frenzy, and here's what you need to know. Now, the supremacy has been announced. Just keep in mind right now, if you just pay attention to the trading volume, you guys can see that Doge is actually one of the most traded crypto in the world, not just meme token. 6th most traded crypto in the world, clearly suggesting that Doge has so much left in its tank. And personally, I feel like the rally is beating Cardano, Shiba Inu. Everything is being beaten by Doge right now. It's honestly a good time for the Dogecoin holders. You just need to be a little patient while the market is heating up and before it just goes really crazy. And then this is what you're going to be looking like. Other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, you want to stay up to date with everything, subscribe, and I'll see you guys very soon.